Okay. Third battery arrived. We got a dent in the side again. Hopefully it didn't get to the battery. We will open it up in a few minutes and find out. Okay, like I said, we got this one little dent here. There goes the FedEx guy. They rent budget trucks out here. You don't normally see them in the FedEx truck. I guess they know this is a long, rough driveway, so they put me on the thing. He said he's a new driver. First time out here, he called the other guy, and the guy told him just keep going. You're in the right place. So let's see if we hopefully got a battery in one piece this time without any damage. I left my little knife. My little knife does the job. I like to know where my good knives are, but okay. Our normal packing, got the soft package here, all your bars and your book. Let's see what we got. Put that to the side. And a little dirt. Is that a scratch or a I hope that's not another crack. Okay. I guess I see two lines right in here. And after the first battery being cracked, I'm a little hesitant on it. So, give me a second. I might have to get help to pick that one up. Okay. Not where I expected damage, but this is crushed in again. Two dents in the back. God, this is ridiculous. This is the third battery. Let's see if the screen is good. Breaker was on, so 49%. So all that looks good, but we got a crushed battery in the back. So yeah, I'm gonna have to take this out. Hold on. Okay. These black flakings that we were trying to figure out what were laying in here are paint flakings off the back of the battery, off the case where it's crushed. Obviously you can see my thumb compared to the size of this smash on the battery. I mean, I'm really not holding the manufacturer. This is a huge bulge in the side of the battery case right here. It's actually cracking where it's pushed out. I mean, the manufacturer has a nice packing in here, but man, they got to put some kind of extra packing on this. They said they were going to do that and took an extra week before they shipped it out, and it came in the same packing again. And I mean, that is not that is not arrived okay. Got a big bulge inside the case here. This whole thing is ribbed from here to here. It's just kind of pushed out whatever racking pushed in there. I really need this extra battery, and yeah. Okay, I've got to take some pictures and contact the manufacturer again. This was battery number 3. They are warranting these batteries, but they're just not arriving here in one piece. I appreciate FedEx bringing them, but I don't think it's the local drivers. I think it's usually, like the last two have had relabels in Olive Branch, Mississippi, and because they had problems with them. Well, this one didn't have any relabels, but I mean, this is This is huge, and this whole thing from here to here is dented. So yeah, that is not okay. Humsienk's going to have to do a better job of shipping them to protect them from the shipper themselves.